Hi, welcome to Fusion Kitchen. My name is Christine De Silva. I'm also an author and I've written a number of books. If you're interested, please check out the description box below. Today I'm making creamy pasta salad. Now, pasta's origin has its roots from China and the Middle East, but became a distinct staple of Italian food by 400 BC. This recipe is an American-Italian fusion recipe. So let's start. First, we're going to take 2 cups of pasta. One trick in cooking pasta successfully is to have a large pot so that the pasta can move about and cook, and also have plenty of water. Now I've also added 1 teaspoon of salt. There's no need to add any oil. Then I've added 2 cups of pasta. I've stirred lightly, and without covering the vessel, I've let the pasta cook. Do not overcook. Once it is done, keep it aside, but first add about 2 teaspoons of oil to the pasta. And also remember, if the pastas clump together, to separate the pasta, here's a simple trick. All you have to do is to rinse it in cold water. The colder the water it is, the better. And this helps it to separate. Now I've taken about 1 cup of green peas. I've used frozen green peas and I've boiled it till it is cooked. This will just take about 3 minutes or so for the green peas to cook. Then I've also taken about 500 grams of salami. Please note, you can also add 250 grams of salami, and I've chopped it. I have used chicken salami. Then I have fried the salami. Now if you use a big enough saucepan, you can fry the salami all together instead of cooking it in batches. Basically, you don't have to brown the salami, you just have to cook it till it is just lightly golden in color. This just takes a few minutes. Stir once in a way so that all the pieces are done. Now I've prepared the dressing. I've used about 3/4 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use any oil like sunflower oil. I've used 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. This is important, please don't skip. This does give a lot of taste. I've added an Italian spice, that is 2 teaspoons of oregano. And I've added also 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce. Now the dressing is ready. All we have to do is just whisk it very well till it becomes smooth and creamy. So this would be the dressing for the salad. Okay, once done, we take a kadai and we add the pasta and the green peas. As you can see, the pasta is separated, and this is very important, that the pasta should never be clumped together. It should be separated. Then we've added the salami. As I said before, I've used 500 grams, but you can also use 250 grams. I have used chicken salami. Mix well. Now I've also added some cheese. Say about half to 1 cup of cheese that is grated, depending on your preference, and mix lightly. Finally, I've added the dressing, that is the mayo dressing, and I stir lightly so that it mixes well. Then we can top it up with grated cheese just for aesthetic appearance, and also because it can just enhance the flavor and the taste. You can use half cup of grated cheese. Any cheese will do. Cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and serve. You can have this pasta either cold or you can warm it up. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.